Hello everyone, I am Professor Howard Eskew. Welcome to Accounting 116A Financial Accounting. I'm excited to be spending the next 8 weeks with you as you explore what financial accounting is, why it is important, and how it is used by investors and creditors to make decisions. I applaud you for your interest in honing your business skills, and I hope to be an encouraging voice as you navigate the waters of financial accounting. To help you get started in this course, I have opened the course a little early for you so that you can explore and get familiar with the course assignments and due dates. You are not expected to begin work until the 28th, but feel free to get a jump start if you like. Also, it is important for everyone in the class to get to know each other and start building connections early. Please go into the discussion area under class introductions and post a new message sharing something about yourself. If you need an example, take a look at my introduction where you will learn about me. You will also find instructions for completing discussion board there as well. Well, that's all for now. If you have any questions, please post them in the question and answer forum. I look forward to working with you all. See you in class.